So this is a great multi-purpose piece of property. There is a nice place to build. City water is not very far. You can hook up the city water on this one, I believe. The electricity, again, is not very far either. So if you want to build a nice home, that would be great. There's a nice valley coming there in front of you, which would be perfect for putting in a pond or a series of ponds. Trails all over the place. There's trails throughout this whole property, in the hills and the valleys and all over. The trails lead over to the Henry's Fork, which is a tributary to the Little Kanawha River. It is great fishing over there, so you definitely want to experience the outdoor of West Virginia on this piece of property. Those trails are great for hiking, four-wheeling riding, and just taking a nice nature walk. There is tons and tons of wildlife there, so the sportsmen and the family will enjoy all the hunting, the turkeys, the deer, the small game. All that is available to you on this piece of property. You're also not very far from Spencer. You're within, I don't know, 10-15 minutes from Walmart there. So it wouldn't take very long for you to run to town if you needed something. There's plenty of room there for gardens, any type of forest farming that you want to do. If you wanted to spend some time and clear up some land, you could have you a cow. Be a little bit more self-reliant for the homesteader in you. Thank you so much for watching our video, and subscribe to our videos, please. The people who subscribe to our videos, they get a little head start on the process. So it's definitely worth subscribing to. As you notice there in that screen there, that's going to take you out to the to Henry's Fork, where you can fish. You can put your little fishing camp down there if you wanted to as well. So anyway, thank you so much for watching our videos. I'm Mike Greenlee, broker for Old Fences Realty. You can contact me at 304-377-3758. That is my cell. Our office number is 304-927-4400. Thank you again for watching.